Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Money Network app not letting you log in. So let's get started. The first thing you can try is by making sure you have an active internet connection. To do that, just open up another app that uses internet and make sure that it works properly. If this doesn't work, then you have to make sure you're using the latest version. To do that, open up the App Store and now search for Money Network app. Now if you see an update button, that means it isn't updated to the latest version. Make sure to update it and this should fix your issue. If this doesn't work, then you have to clear app cache. To do that, open up the settings and now click on General. Under General, go to iPhone storage and now find and select the Money Network app. Once you're on the screen, just click on offload app and now a reinstall button will be in place of it. Now click on reinstall and check if the app works. And if it still doesn't work, now you have to completely reinstall the app. To do that, click on the delete app button to completely reinstall the app. Now go to the App Store, search for Money Network and download the app one more time, and now your app should be working. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.